Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tamanda and today I'm going to be showing you guys my wash day tutorial, wash day routine, whatever you want to call it. So that's my hair, as you can see. I had it in crochet faux locks for almost 3 months, so it's very tangled. And that's the length around my ankle collarbone. Wow, ankle collarbone, amazing. Anyway, that's the shampoo I use. It is a 2-in-1 conditioner and shampoo, and this is the conditioner that I use, or treatment, or whatever you want to call it. It's Mikala and it's made in Kenya. Anyway, so I have a very interesting way of washing my hair. I realized after some time, of washing my hair with my hands, that whenever I would, you scrub your hair, the way they scrub, like that, whatever. But I would lose a lot of hair that way, and my hair would just get more tangled because you're causing a lot of friction, and your hair is just becoming more and more tangled. Like once you rinse it, you're pulling it that way. And so I started using this brush, and it cleanses my scalp really well. Beautiful. Look at that. It's tangling. That's what detangling is. If y'all didn't know what detangling is, that is what detangling is. Oh my god, amazing. Anyway. Yeah, so this is a spray bottle that I have that I recycled. I just put in water and a little bit of olive oil in there, and I used it and I sprayed it around my hair while I was kind of tangling it, combing it through. So I actually pre-pooed my hair. So I oiled it, saturated it in oil, that's olive oil, and braided it into 2 cornrows, and also put argan oil on my edges. And then I just slept the night, and this is obviously the next morning. Man, whoa, slay. Okay, so this is me washing my hair now after I removed the cornrows, and I'm just using that same method that I explained to you earlier in the video with the detangling brush, kind of just scrubbing my scalp with that and combing through my hair so that I can wash my hair as well as detangle it at the same time. So yeah, so I'm gonna rinse that all out. Don't mind what I'm wearing. And then I'm gonna wrap it up in a towel. And so this is immediately after I washed my hair. This is a conditioner. I just got it. It smells really good. I've used Mikala's other products, but I've never used a conditioner. But it actually was a really, really good conditioner. Thank God for this conditioner. And so I'm gonna just do a length check again, because you never know where your hair be falling off. Exactly. As you can see, my hair is still detangled. I'm entangled, but it is less tangled than before. So I'm gonna split my hair into 2 sections, and I'm gonna split each section into 3 sections. And then I'll work section by section. Okay, and then I'm gonna put the conditioner on each section, and kind of just combing it through with my fingers to kind of just separate the strands as much as I possibly can. And then I'm gonna try going in with the detangler, but if it's just really not working, I'll just go ahead and use my fingers to detangle my hair first. So strand by strand, kind of just separating the strands the best I possibly can with the conditioner inside, because the conditioner has pretty decent slip. And then I'm gonna split that section into 2 sections, then detangle each section separately with the detangling brush. This kind of just makes it easier to detangle. And then I'll braid that one section into 2 strand twists, as you can see me doing now. And yes, just so that I can be able to retain as much moisture as I can. And then do the same to the second section. And then I just did this to my whole head. Again, I created another section, then I put conditioner on that one section, split the section into 2, made 2 strand twists, so on and so forth. So in total, you would say that if it was 3 times 2, meaning 6 braids on each side of my head, there were 12 2-strand twists on my head. As you can see, there they are. And then I'm just gonna chop off the ends using my trimming scissors. So I just pull on the strand and then just snip off the end. And there you have it, my trimmed hair. And I'm just gonna add a little bit extra of the conditioner just to get all those dry areas moisturized and saturated well. And then I'm going to put my hair under this shower cap and my towel for around 30 minutes to an hour. And this is the next morning, folks. I skipped a whole day. Yeah, so what I actually did was I went ahead and I washed out the conditioner as much as I could. I removed the twists and I washed all the conditioner out, and then I braided my hair into 3-strand braids, you know, just the same type of sectioning as before. And then I slept and I added a little bit more oil into my scalp. As you can see, there you have it. Yeah, and so I'm gonna put oil on my hair and then I'm gonna unbraid. So just make sure that each side of the bun is equal, and then I'm gonna lay my edges using this olive oil edge control that I have. This olive oil edge control is very, very nourishing, and it's very good for the edges, but it doesn't have the best hold for my texture, my hair texture. So I mainly use it because of its benefits. I'm trying to make sure that I keep my edges healthy. So I'm just gonna swoop them edges, swoop, no big deal. I don't really have any extra tips on that. And then I'm going to kind of twist the sideburns, and there you have it. Don't mind my undercut. I'm gonna spray my hair with some sheen, and that is a hairstyle for the day. Bloopers! Oh my god. Oh Lord. Just smells so good. It really looks bad in this from this view, but it's not that bad, I promise. But anyway, I'm gonna be doing it. I'm gonna be washing it and treating it and stuff. So I just removed my cornrows. I had crochet faux locks in there. Oh my god, it's falling out. It's falling out. Yeah, so I had crochet faux locks in there, and here. Oh my god, the lighting is not so good because the sun is. Sorry if I can't look at the camera. It's just hard to look at the camera. But look at this hair hanging from the ends of my hair. Look at that. My goodness. Anyway, you know what? Hair is just hair. By the way, this is how much I lost. Anyway, yeah. I'm pretty sure there's way more in there that I've lost that's just stuck in there and it's like refusing to let go of its siblings. Oh my god, my phone is falling. Why? Come back. I'm sorry. I can't. I was dreaming. I was looking for my hairband. Anyway, I have some bald spots. For example, that was an edge. Now it's gone. Why? Cornrows. Oh, life. My phone fell. Whoa.